morning, Sunrisers. I'm Dr. Karen Emerson. Of course, this is Dr. Jancie, my associate, and these are actually her own dogs. This is Sippy. She's about a 7-year-old long-haired Chihuahua, and this is Malony. She's about 1. And what we're going to talk about is something we're very passionate about. It's called preventive health care. Guys, we really want to push something called pet wellness exams, where we actually go in and we basically scan your pet. We go in and we do blood work. We do ultrasounds, we do x-rays, because we want to find the issue before it starts happening. You would be shocked at the animals that we've seen that come in just for a routine ultrasound, and on the ultrasound we find tumors in the spleen. Sometimes we find areas in the liver that are diseased. We find the types of bladder stones inside the bladder, and these are all things that you would not get to see until your pet started showing clinical signs. So for the month of December, we're going to offer 10% off all of these things to basically check your pet out from head to toe. Because I know everyone out there wants to be able to have their pet with them as long as you can. Just like when we go to our doctors every year to get our checkups and screenings, that's what we want to do for your pets. We want to be able to catch things before they start happening. Because if they do start showing clinical signs and they come in and they have pale gums, they're bleeding internally, then they have to go through an emergency surgery. Whereas if you bring them in and let us do this pet wellness, protocol where we do the blood work, we do the scans, we can find it early, and it allows you to have your pets a lot longer. Now owners are having their pets when they're still 14, 15, 16. We even see 18-year-old dogs just because we do these preventative things for them every month. It's also so important for you just to bring them in once a year for us to just do a general physical exam, because you would be shocked on what we can find during a physical exam. During our exams, we go and we check the eyes, we check the ears, we check the teeth, we auscultate the heart and lungs, we can identify heart disease early. It is just so important. So if you have an older pet or just in general, your pet's coming in for an annual, please ask about our wellness exams where we can do all these things so you can have your pet a lot longer, and I promise your pets will thank you.
WCBI Animal Health with Dr. Emerson was brought to you by Emerson Animal Hospital in West Point.